Let's assemble a Solar Sparrow. Remove all 4 pinch clips from the box. With a friend, lift the bike from both ends and place it on a flat surface. Inside the bike box, you will find a smaller box with a 5mm Allen key, a multi-Allen key set, pedals, a front light, reflectors, stickers, a bag, and a battery charger. Cut all the zip ties holding the front wheel and set it to the side. Proceed to cut all the zip ties surrounding the frame. To install the handlebars, use a 4mm Allen key to remove all 4 stem bolts holding the stem cover. Align the middle of the handlebar with the middle of the stem and loosely retighten the stem bolts. Find your preferred handlebar angle, then tighten the stem bolts in a start-shaped pattern. To install the front wheel, have a friend pick up the front end of the bike. Remove the front axle cover and the disc brake stopper. With a 6mm Allen key, remove the front axle from the fork. You will find cone nut covers on both sides of the front wheel. When removing the covers, be sure the cone nut does not come off with it. Remove the front fender from the front wheel. Lift the front end of the bike and align the axle inserts and the brake rotor inside the brake caliper. Reinsert the axle on the side with the rotor and tighten it with a 6mm Allen key. Pull out the kickstand to keep the bike upright. To install the front fender, removals. Slide the front fender through the opening in between the fork and the front tire. Then retighten all the fork bolts onto the front fender mounts. You will see a right pedal and a left pedal. You will need a 15mm wrench to install the pedals. For the left pedal, tighten the axle towards the front of the bike. Do the same for the right pedal. To adjust the saddle height, loosen the seat post clamp and tighten it once you have found your desired length. To install the front light, match the red-tipped cables from the front light and the stem. Using a 3mm Allen key, loosen the bolt on the light and pull the mount over the handlebar. Tighten the bolt back down once you have your desired position. To access the battery, pull the battery cover latch down. To remove the battery, insert the key and twist it clockwise. You should hear the battery pop out of its socket. Pull down the battery latch to remove it. To access the charging port, pull the rubber cover on the top left of the battery. From there, match the white dot and the arrow on the charging cable to charge your battery. And that's it. You have successfully assembled your Solar Sparrow.